to my channel. Today is Tuesday. Credit card information. Today I want to talk to you about personal loan and getting money from your credit card, borrowing from your credit card. Most of us, we did not have money to pay a rent or to put food on the table, so we have used our credit card, and which we will pay with a huge interest rate. So according to my opinion, I will suggest to use my credit card rather than to have a personal loan. The personal loan, what I have come to realize, you have to pay for insurance, you have to pay for small amount of money which you don't understand those money were for what. And when you go to the lenders or when you go to your bank to ask for the personal loan, they don't tell you about the insurance and those small interest rate they charge for you after you pay back the money. When you put that interest rate plus the insurance, that's a lot of money. Even though it sounds like a little, like a $2 or $3, that's a lot of money which you could save. If you could have used your credit card, you don't have to pay those insurance. You just need to pay your interest rate. And when we have the credit card, we can use that money and we pay our minimum. Our minimum, for example, my minimum payment is $15 when I use the credit card, and I cannot afford to pay that back money. Since we are in the pandemic and we were waiting for the stimulus check, or we have to put food on the table for our families, I used my credit card, which I will pay just the minimum to my due date. When I pay the minimum, means nothing will happen to my credit, though I have used a higher amount of the money, which is above the 10%, still my credit will drop. I don't care for my credit to drop. That's not the end. I can have money and pay those credit cards rather than to suffer, to suffocate, to not heal, to not feel good. So I'd rather use my credit card. And I have a video talking about the Chase Freedom. Chase Freedom credit card is giving a 200 cash bonus when you sign in, and you can use that money to put food on the table for your family rather than not to have something for your family at this time of pandemic with the crisis and it's a holiday. For me, for my opinion, I'm not sponsored by any of these things I'm talking. It's just through my opinion, and because I have a family, sometimes I run out of money. Sometimes I don't have get my salary. I need to put food on the table for my family, so I usually use my credit card rather than to go to borrow money from the bank. The bank is not our friends. Bank usually make money from us. When you go and use your bank to borrow money, you have to pay insurance, pay the interest, plus you don't see that loan moving. I would rather have my credit paying little by little and paying only the minimum which I can afford, rather than to go to the bank or a lender and borrow money. If you have your vehicle or your motorbike, you can use those things to get some money. But the thing is, when we are above our beyond or what we earn, it's really difficult with paying back that money, because even though we are earning, we earn less. We are millennial. We have to do 4 to 3 jobs in order for us to cover our bills. I hope the government understand this, that without them supporting us, they take taxes from us, and COSAM is waiting for us every paycheck. So whenever you have your payday, it's like you crying instead of enjoying. And that's why I talk to you about save first before you do other things. When you put some little money in your saving, those saving will help you to pay your bill or to use it when you cannot afford to pay. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoy my topic, please consider to subscribe and also to hit the like button to help my channel to grow. I love you all. Appreciate your thumb like, appreciate your subscribe, appreciate your comments, and keep commenting because I love to read those comments. They just make me to sleep like a baby. So keep watching my videos because I like to talk about the credit card, because when I was born or where I was born, no one ever told me about the credit card. Nobody taught me about the credit card. Credit card is good for emergency. Let's say, for example, in case, or instead of keep borrowing money from your friends, from your aunt, from your, people just hate you because you keep asking money from them. And people are just they are friends when you have. When you don't have, they don't support you. They don't see your problem. They don't know what you are struggling. So long as you can pay something or have something where you can have roof in your head, appreciate that. And especially with the pandemic, if you are not sick, appreciate that, because right now we don't want to get this disease which is ruining our life. And especially when you get sick, then you don't go to work. Even though you use your time off, it's gonna end. Then you don't have time to provide or to have money to provide for your kids. We are in a situation whereby we cannot handle without friends and people supporting our emotional. And especially even when you go to work, everybody is kind of irritated, or everybody is like angry, emotion affected because of what we are going through. So for this, we need to support one another. Help me to support my channel, to help you to get your emotional back by subscribing to my channel, and also smash the like button to help my channel to grow. And when you do this, you're gonna learn more about helping yourself and getting the best money from the lenders, rather than getting those things which you don't get a cashback. And especially like right now, we need to pay student loan. Don't borrow from there. You better use your credit card. I talked about when you have a credit card whereby you can withdraw some money, you can use that money to pay your bills. And then when you get paid from the employer, then you will pay back that money, rather than to go to the bank or to go to the lenders and borrow $500, which you pay with the interest, and then you pay insurance, and then you are like in a fear, what do you gonna do next? Thank you for watching, and if you like the topic, please subscribe. Also, don't forget, we are heading to the new year eve. So if you want to be able to have something for the new year, buy those things which are selling 2 for $4, 2 for $3. Then you have a gift for your new year. Rather than to buy one, then you left with nothing, then you're gonna use your credit card to buy another gift for the new year.